Think all affordable products are low quality. Think again. These 25 viral Amazon finds are blowing up for all the right reasons. They're genius, practical, and surprisingly budget-friendly. From kitchen hacks to smart storage, these gadgets prove you don't need to spend a lot to live smarter. Ready to transform your space? Let's dive in. Say hello to effortless healthy cooking with this stainless steel foldable steamer basket. Whether you're steaming veggies, dumplings, or seafood, this compact gadget expands to fit various pot sizes and folds away for easy storage. It's rust-resistant, durable, and a must-have for any kitchen that craves convenience with a touch of brilliance. Steaming just got smarter. Tired of messy drawers and tangled clothes? These 7-grid clothing storage bins are your new go-to for organizing socks, underwear, ties, leggings, and more. Designed with breathable fabric and sturdy dividers, each bin neatly separates your essentials while saving tons of space. Slide them into drawers, closets, or shelves for a clean, minimalist look. It's the smart way to declutter and upgrade your wardrobe organization instantly. A small change with a huge impact on your daily routine. Say goodbye to scattered shoes with this foldable shoe rack that's perfect for compact spaces. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to set up, fold away, and move as needed. Whether you place it in your entryway, closet, or under the bed, it keeps your footwear organized and accessible. A simple, space-saving solution for any home. Keep pesky mosquitoes at bay in style with this Mosquito coil holder. Designed for safety and convenience, it securely holds the coil while collecting ash, preventing mess. Its sleek, ventilated design ensures even burning and adds a touch of charm to any space. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Stay bite-free the smart and elegant way. Say goodbye to last-minute wardrobe malfunctions with this portable mini handheld sewing machine. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for quick fixes, DIY projects, or hemming on the go. Whether at home or traveling, this little gadget saves time and money. Easy to operate and battery-powered, it brings sewing convenience right to your fingertips. Stitch smart, anytime, anywhere. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? This manual adjustable jar opener is your ultimate kitchen sidekick, designed to grip and twist with ease. It adjusts to fit jars of various sizes. Say goodbye to hand strain and hello to effortless opening. Perfect for seniors or anyone with limited grip strength. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this portable travel steamer iron. Compact yet powerful, it heats up quickly to smooth out clothes on the go. Whether you're on a business trip or vacation, it fits perfectly in your luggage and keeps your outfits looking fresh and polished. No ironing board needed. Secure your ride in seconds with this anti-theft bike handlebar lock. Designed to clamp onto your handlebar and brake lever, it prevents wheel movement and deters thieves effectively. Its tough, weather-resistant build makes it perfect for daily commuters and cyclists alike. Lightweight, easy to use, and highly visible, it's the peace of mind your bike deserves wherever you park it. Say hello to effortless dumpling perfection with this manual double-head dumpling maker. It lets you craft 2 dumplings at once with uniform shape and sealed edges every time. Just place the dough, fill it, press, and voila! Perfect dumplings in seconds, ideal for quick homemade snacks, parties, or family dinners with minimal mess and effort. This portable foldable wireless keyboard is a game changer for on-the-go productivity, compact and lightweight. It folds neatly to fit in your pocket or bag. With Bluetooth connectivity and a sleek design, it's perfect for smartphones, tablets, or laptops, making work or typing on the move incredibly convenient. Organize your space effortlessly with collapsible storage bins with lids. These sturdy, stackable bins keep clutter hidden while protecting your items from dust and moisture. Perfect for clothes, toys, or office supplies. They fold flat when not in use, saving valuable space. Stylish, practical, and easy to carry. Tidy storage made simple and efficient. Keep your car tidy and essentials within reach with the car backseat mesh organizer. This stretchy, durable mesh pocket attaches easily between front seats, holding bags, snacks, gadgets, or even a purse. It also doubles as a barrier to keep pets or kids safely in the back. A must-have for organized and stress-free travel. Clean high-rise windows safely and effortlessly with the U-shaped glass window cleaner wiper. Designed with an extendable handle and ergonomic grip, this tool reaches outside windows without leaning out dangerously. The double-sided cleaning head ensures a streak-free finish, while the U-shaped design fits perfectly along window frames. Ideal for apartments and tall buildings, it makes glass cleaning faster, safer, and more efficient. Lightweight and easy to store. Your ultimate solution for sparkling windows, inside and out. Make shopping trips easier with the expandable shopping bag on wheels. This clever bag transforms from a compact tote into a spacious rolling cart in seconds. Its durable wheels and sturdy handle let you glide through stores or markets effortlessly, reducing strain on your arms and back. Perfect for groceries, laundry, or travel. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to store when not in use. Stylish and practical, it's your new go-to bag for errands on the move. Wash your clothes anytime, anywhere with the portable mini washing machine. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for small loads, baby clothes, or travel laundry. Easy to use and energy efficient, it fits in dorms, apartments, or suitcases. Just add water, detergent, and plug in. Fresh laundry made simple. No full-size machine needed. Keep your bathroom tidy with the self-adhesive toothbrush holder with cup. This wall-mounted organizer features a sleek design with slots for brushes and a magnetic cup for rinsing. No drilling needed, just peel and stick. Perfect for saving space and keeping essentials clean, dry, and within easy reach. A smart upgrade for any bathroom. Enjoy perfectly mixed drinks with the self-stirring mug. With just the push of a button, this mug automatically stirs your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. No spoon needed. Ideal for busy mornings or lazy evenings. It saves time and prevents clumps. Sleek, spill-resistant, and fun to use. Your ultimate companion for effortless sipping. Chop, mince, blend, and mix with ease using the 4-in-1 handheld electric vegetable chopper. Compact yet powerful. It's perfect for prepping garlic, onions, herbs, or even small sauces. With one-touch operation and USB charging, it's a time-saving kitchen essential. Say goodbye to tears and mess. Fresh prep made fast and effortless. Maximize your space with the sofa cum bed with storage. This multifunctional furniture piece easily transforms from a cozy sofa to a comfortable bed in seconds, perfect for guests or small rooms. With built-in storage underneath, you can neatly tuck away blankets, pillows, or other essentials. Stylish, space-saving, and practical all in one. Declutter your kitchen with the wall-mounted spice rack. Designed to save counter space, this sleek rack keeps your spices neatly organized and easily accessible. Perfect for small kitchens, it installs effortlessly on any wall or cabinet. Durable and stylish, it turns messy spice jars into a tidy, functional display. Cooking just got a whole lot easier. Tired of messy cables and unsightly routers ruining your decor? This Wi-Fi router storage box is the perfect blend of function and style. Designed to neatly house your router and power strip, it keeps wires organized while blending seamlessly into your home. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a cleaner, smarter space. Maximize your shoe storage in style with this revolving metal shoe rack. Designed to hold multiple pairs while taking up minimal space, it spins effortlessly for easy access. Its sturdy metal construction ensures durability, and its sleek look fits right into any modern home. Say goodbye to messy floors and hello to organized elegance. Upgrade your shower routine with this long-handled body scrubber with built-in soap dispenser. Designed to reach every inch of your back and body with ease, it delivers a deep, refreshing clean while the soap dispenser adds extra convenience. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, making it perfect for daily exfoliation. It's a spa-like experience, right in your own bathroom. Protect your floors in style with these chair leg floor protectors. Designed to fit snugly and stay in place, they prevent scratches, reduce noise, and make sliding chairs effortless. Whether it's hardwood, tile, or laminate, these protectors add a layer of safety while preserving your furniture's sleek look. A small upgrade that makes a big difference. Seal, patch, and fix just about anything with this heavy-duty waterproof tape. Built to withstand extreme conditions, it creates an ultra-strong, watertight bond on virtually any surface: metal, plastic, wood, glass, and more. Whether you're repairing a leaky pipe, patching up a pool, or sealing cracks outdoors, this tape delivers reliable, long-lasting performance. Its flexible, weather-resistant design makes it a must-have for home repairs, outdoor adventures, and emergency toolkits. Say goodbye to leaks and hello to quick, powerful fixes. Make dishwashing quicker and easier with this soap dispensing palm brush. Its compact design fits right in your hand, giving you powerful scrubbing control. With just a push, it releases soap directly onto your dishes, cutting through grease and grime effortlessly. Ideal for plates, pans, and even sinks, this brush makes cleanup feel like less of a chore. Experience healthier juicing with this masticating juicer, designed to extract maximum nutrients with minimal waste. Its slow, cold-press technology preserves enzymes and natural flavors, making every sip richer and smoother. Ideal for fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens, this juicer is perfect for anyone serious about clean, fresh, and nutritious living. Quiet, efficient, and built to last. Upgrade your hygiene game with this smart sensor trash can that opens automatically with a wave of your hand. No touching required. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any space, while the odor-sealing lid keeps things fresh. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. Its convenience and cleanliness rolled into one intelligent solution. Say goodbye to messy, shifting bedding with these duvet clips, designed to securely hold your duvet in place without damaging the fabric. These clever little clips keep everything perfectly aligned all night long. No more bunching or slipping, just smooth, cozy comfort. Easy to attach and remove. They're a must-have for anyone who loves a neatly made bed with zero hassle. Keep your beauty essentials organized and accessible with this portable travel makeup bag. Designed with smart compartments and a spacious layout, it's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or full routines. Its compact, foldable design fits easily in your luggage or handbag, while the waterproof material keeps your items safe, stylish, functional, and a total game-changer for travelers. And there you have it, 25 game-changing Amazon finds that combine usefulness with affordability. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly genius gadgets. Your next smart buy might be just one click away.